Party like it's 1920s. Yes, the roaring 20s are back for 2020, and I was thinking that we were going to see a market crash of 20 to 30%, as the last video predicted it as January 15th, which did not happen at all. So anyways, I'm still riding those stop losses in pretty close on my stocks and of course on the commodities that I trade too. But I think we're in for a good year. You know, interest rates now are going to stay. The evictions are canceled. No one's getting evicted in the States, so that's great news for the stock market, more free money. And stimulus checks are still being pumped in to businesses and individuals. So it's all good, all gravy. We could see even higher highs like we did last week. You know, we did see a mild correction yesterday. The NASDAQ I seen drop about 500 points, so it was a good time to short. If your trading bots caught that short, could have made some good money. Yeah, so all in all, you know, I don't think we're going to see a crash anytime soon. You know, leave your thoughts below. I think now we're going to postpone this crash for, you know, maybe another year. But I think we could see some really bad days where you see a huge dip just in one day, just kind of drop on a, you know, tip of a hat kind of a thing, where you're down 500 points. Well, it's going to be an interesting trading time. Stocks seem to be the thing that's just roaring right now, with different companies making, you know, 15, 20, even 100% return in a single day. But they're not the logical stocks. You know, it's nothing that makes any sense whatsoever. The only explanation I can do is the Robinhood kids are coming in with that stimulus check money and they're pumping markets. You know, I've seen this back in 2016 with the crypto market, where everyone's on these little chat rooms and they're like, hey, let's all buy this crappy coin and let's bring it to the moon, and that's exactly what they did. So the stocks that have been going up are, you know, ludicrous if you look at the logic behind them, but make sense for pumping. You know, they have low volumes, they're normally penny stocks, and they just skyrocket. So I've been doing good on those, you know, getting in at the right time, but getting out too early. So I think the goal now is just put in the stop losses and ride things all the way up, because nothing's making any logical sense and party won't last forever. So put your party hat on now and make the money when you can. You know, just be cautious and realize, hey, there's going to be a hangover at some point. So let me know what you're trading below, especially if you have any recommendations. I'm always looking for stock recommendations. Commodities I know pretty good inside and out. I've been trading them since I was 16 years old, so I'm okay there. Stocks, yeah, stocks I need some help on all the time. You know, my tax-free savings accounts need to go up a little bit more, I think. You know, I've seen some good returns this week, but, you know, it can still double and triple. It would be nice, right? So anyways, let me know what you're trading. I think the stock market crash is definitely postponed at least another year. You know, I think it's going to be interesting when President Biden finally says, okay, enough with these evictions, we gotta have them at some point. You know, we're prolonging this and prolonging it. It's not healthy. So we will see how that's gonna go and trickle down in the markets. So enjoy your trading. Hope you're making all that gold now and all that money now. All the best.